Okay, thank you for joining me for another Alex on Tech and ITY video. I've got the new AirPods Pro and haven't had a chance to open them yet because I've been busy and I wanted to do this unboxing video. Whoops. These are my first AirPods, the ones that I got in December 2016, and I had this one, battery was going flat, I had it replaced. Thankfully and kindly by Apple under warranty, and I've been using these, but I stopped using these. I just use them sort of as a backup when I got my AirPods 2, and I bought these cases in Hong Kong, but you can buy them in other parts of the world. I actually like to put my little adapter down here, just because if I ever do need this cable, which clearly I don't very often with AirPods, but if I ever do need it, it's there, sort of like a tail on this little thing. And you know, sometimes if I'm on a flight and I want to use my you know, over the ear headphones, I'll have this. It's just handy. It's just one of those things. And you know, you've got the light on the outside. This is the wireless charging case. I also had these ones engraved, Alex's AirPods 2.0. Didn't bother with this because I would have had to have waited a week to get it. And these AirPods had longer battery life, but these AirPods here have the longest talk time of all, which is supposed to be 3.5 hours, which is 1.5 hours more than the original AirPods back from 2016. So here comes the opening of these new AirPods, which I've been waiting to do. So let me get this case off. You can actually feel here the imprint of the new AirPods, and inside here, so designed by Apple in California, we have some instructions. And I wonder if there are any stickers, but we have here the little documentation that explains how you're supposed to use these new AirPods and how you're supposed to connect them. And I'm going to have to go through that process, but here are the AirPods themselves. And down here we have, let's have a look. So down here we have the different tips, which I guess I have to pull this up and out, and inside here are the two tips. There must be one set of tips already inside. This here is a charging cable, USB-C to Lightning, which is fantastic. And this is the new case itself. So I can open this up and I can compare this with the size of the AirPods 1 and 2 cases. So you can see that it's wider. When we open it up, we have that sort of look there. And you know, if you're looking at the volume, well, clearly the new ones are a bit larger. But if we also do a comparison of the stem, we can see that as you would have undoubtedly seen online, the stems are quite a little bit shorter. So you can see there what it looks like. And so I've read stacks of excellent reports about the new AirPods, and now I'm going to be able to try them out myself for the first time. And instead of tapping as you would do on these ones, you squeeze to answer, squeeze to hang up, double squeeze to go forward a track, triple squeeze to go back a track, and if you squeeze and hold, you get the transparency mode, which is what turns off the noise cancellation. And I have read reports that you know, the noise cancellation cannot be changed the way you can on the Sony headphones. And I do actually have the Sony headphones, and I'm going to do a comparison between the two of them. But there are the new AirPods compared to the older AirPods. Let me just grab this other one out from here. So there you have it, old versus new. And now it's time to run the software and to test out the different fits for the silicon buds. But new AirPods, just bought them a couple of days ago and raring to give them a go. Bye.